Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades as per usual. And again, this market continues to churn higher. Another update in our portfolio, another day that our gains continue to grow alongside the small caps, which have been a trade that we've been, waiting for a while to play out. And now we are just reaping in the rewards. Another incredible gap up today, another 2% in the IWM, bringing, I believe, or URTI profits to about 26% now. So again, our gains are just skyrocketing on this. Now people are asking, okay, now that it's broken out, when do I get in? Well, it's too late, right? You missed on it. You missed the move, and now you got to look for another opportunity. No need to FOMO into this trade. There's probably lots of setups out there, like maybe the Dow Jones, in my opinion, is the next one that's about to break out here. We have a lot of 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setups for it to literally blow up towards the upside. So that's what I think is going to happen next for the Dow Jones. It's already starting to. So I mean, that's just my advice if you weren't in a trade right now. But again, the Dow Jones, we were in down here. The Dow Jones was a trade that I took down here, and I've been waiting throughout this whole time. Now we're reaping the rewards as it's making new all-time highs. The triple Qs pulled back. We've exited our triple Q position, or the triple leverage, the TQQQ. That one we got out of. Now the SPY continues to trade higher. I don't have any positions in the SPY, but I am looking for a pullback at one point. Not sure if it's going to happen now, just now, but it should happen at any moment. So we're in this fifth wave. We're finishing it up, and it's going to take some time before it actually finishes up. But you can also make the case that we extended it, erased divergence here on the 4 hour, and this is another 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So extended the third wave, and now you're looking for another high once again. So this is just how bullish this market is. And the reason why I think we're still so bullish and we're still going to see more upside is it's just too many bearish people out there. There's people who are saying this market's going to crash. It's time to short. They've been shorting since down here. Continue to add to your shorts, and the market just keeps going up. And now the base case was, oh, look at the small caps. The small caps aren't performing. The whole reason this whole market's going to crash is because the small caps are not doing well. Now the small caps are exploding towards the upside. They're saying, no, it's a fake pump. It's a fake pump. Well, this pump is, to me, very much real. The gains are very much real. They can call it whatever they want. They can continue to short and cause the market to go up, and my portfolio will continue to go up. But really, you gotta get with the picture here, and you gotta accept that maybe you were wrong in shorting this massive bull market. This could have been a 1, 2, a 3, 4, and a 5. So maybe the IWM is coming to an end. Unless you erase divergence, then you extend the third wave once again. So the third wave should be coming to an end pretty soon, but it can continue to build divergence and continue to go up. So don't think that this is the top here on the IWM, but we are starting to run into some previous resistance here. So we'll see if we get some chop and maybe a pullback then, but I don't expect any meaningful pullback. I'm not ready to close my IWM position. I will continue to hold, and I believe we have more upside coming, as all the other small cap stocks will add to the fury here. Okay, so let's take a look at market cipher. So we printed a new weekly candle here. Again, it looked like we were getting a slowdown. Now it looks like it wants to extend higher. Same thing for the triple Qs. The IWM breakout is extremely bullish. It's showing that a significant upside is coming for the IWM, and we got more to come. So it's too soon to start shorting. And then the Dow Jones is also looking really good for more upside as well. So this is why I continue to like the Dow Jones at the moment, and I think we got more upside to come. It's literally building a base, I think, at this point, and it's just getting ready for a big blow off top. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We've been calling this the DXY correct to correct down. We're looking for this to finish up in a fifth wave here. It could still go a little bit lower, but ultimately we're gonna get a bounce in a wave 2. That's probably when the market pulls back a little bit, and then you start to get another leg down of this wave 3, and maybe the wave 3 goes even deeper, right? We go even deeper, and it really collapses down all the way to 98. So this is where the DXY target is. Let's take a look at the yields. The yields are kind of chopping about here. We have yet to see the wave 3 of 3 moment. That's when the yields are literally going to implode. So this is when I'm going to be looking to exit maybe, or at least take some partial profits on our TLT position or TMF position, which is the triple leverage of the TLT. And again, I think it's just doing a series of 1-2s, and it's gonna get that big explosive move like the IWM as well. You know, they're all gonna come. It's all gonna come, and trust me, this market will top out eventually, but it's not yet. It's too soon. Look at Bitcoin. Look at these risk-on assets. They are literally mooning towards the upside, right? All of them. You got risk-on across the market. This is not the time to be shorting. The VIX, in my opinion, right? The VIX is up today. The VIX is up 5%. Oh my God, the VIX is up. We better start shorting. No, in my opinion, the VIX is going to be, going to this area down here between 9 and 8, and 9 and 10. Sorry, 9 and 10. Once we get into this area, maybe we got to be worried about this market starting that this market's gonna find the top. My English right now. The oil, we're still in our oil short. I believe oil should get this meltdown as well. But if the DXY continues to push down, this is definitely going to help oil stabilize at these levels. But we'll have to see. How to be patient. Gold and silver. So silver, I think, needs one more leg down in this dip buy area here. And then similar situation for gold, but gold should be in this wave 4. So a little bit of a pullback, maybe back down to 2,390, and then another high, another all-time high, right? Past maybe 2,500. So that's just a little bit of speculation there, but overall, our trades have been killing it, and I expect a lot more upside coming in this market. All right, so Tesla, I believe, is trying to finish up in this 5th wave. So it needs probably one more high before it's all said and done, and then the 3rd wave will be in, and then we'll get a bigger pullback in a wave 4, and then another 5th wave, and then the 1st wave will be done, right? So don't think that Tesla is like, oh, this is a beautiful time to short Tesla. No, I would not be looking for shorts here at all. I think there's significant more upside coming for Tesla. The semis, though, are lagging a bit. If we take a look at the SMH, right, the semis are maybe trying to top out here, but we'll have to take a look at the smaller time frames as well as the larger ones. But I think the semis may be trying to finish up a 5th wave. But if it wants to do another 1-2, whoops, what did I just do here? That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do a 5 wave count. 3, 4, 5. I believe this is a 3rd wave here. This is our 3rd, and then this is a 4, and now we're gonna get another 5th wave. So maybe one more high in the semis, and then we pull back in a 4, and then another high again. Okay, let's take a look here. I'll talk about the more individual names. So we've been covering Apple. We'll talk about the majors here first. So Apple is coming back up, still continuing to push up in the 5th wave. It should be finishing up, but the thing is if you erase divergence, then what you're gonna have is just a 3rd wave extending even more. But you got bearish divergence right now. So this 5th wave can pull back at any moment. So maybe the triple Qs see some downside. And then the IWM and the small caps get even more love in the Dow Jones as well. Let's take a look at. No, I already talked to NVIDIA. Actually, NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, to me, if it doesn't do a 1-2, then you're gonna come back down to this area here, down at 113 to 98, which is a bearish setup, right? But to me, you've invalidated my short area here for the B wave top, but a B wave can extend, and it can be a little bit difficult to chart sometimes. So right now you only have 3 waves, But if you make 4 waves, then 5 waves up, then you get another wave up. Then in that case, it's gonna be quite bullish. What it means is that this wave 4 is in here, and you're getting another 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 setup to go higher. Okay, let's cover AMD. So AMD hit my sell area here to the tick, beautifully rejected at 185, but it doesn't mean that it can't go higher. I'm actually expecting AMD to get a little bit more upside before it's all said and done. Maybe someone was saying like 290 by the end of the year for AMD, which would invalidate the setup and actually enhance the bullish setup even more, which would mean the third wave is up here, and now you're in a 4, and then you're going for this 5th wave, right? You're going for this 5th wave higher. That's what it means. That's what us taking out this peak means. Is going to go up in a 5th wave, and it's very possible. The semis are such a strong sector right now, and man, look at these. Look at the crypto markets. Let's take a look at Mara. We cover Mara all the time. So Bitcoin breaking out here. Looks like Mara is going for this final C leg. In my opinion, I think we're gonna rock it up. We may even fade the highs here, and then maybe it'll pull back down, right? But if it's not, that means this wave 2 is in, and it's a much more bullish setup and a 5 wave move up. If you take out this peak, we'll know that we're in a 5 wave up, or we got 5 waves up, and we're going to look for a wave 2 pullback to buy the dip. Okay. All right. So I think that wraps it up here. I don't really have much to add. The GDXU consolidating a little bit. I think it's got more highs coming, so it's got to be patient with that one. Let me see. Let me take a look at the comments here. Comment section from yesterday. I think there was a lot of people asking about GameStop again. I'll do another GameStop update for you guys. But yeah, ultimately, if you guys want to get access to my trades, the link's in the description. You know, I'm working on a website to post the historical data of all my trades. Once that's up, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, everything's shaping up. Everything's looking good, and hopefully, we'll get more upside in this market. Looks like we've been getting more upside, so it's probably going to continue to do that. The trend is our friend, and you know, fighting the trend is fighting the current, and it's really not advised at this point. And you got to be cautious to whoever is trying to short this market. Best of luck. Have a wonderful day. Peace.